Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to remove items from your cart on Meesho. To delete an item from your shopping cart on Meesho, launch open the Meesho app on your smartphone first and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your shopping cart icon at the top right corner to view the items that you have added to the cart. Scroll through the list and simply tap on the Remove button for the item you would like to delete from the cart. Click on Remove in the pop-up in order to confirm. And just like that, you have successfully deleted the item from your cart immediately. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.